Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to see the amazing history of an umbrella from a royal symbol to a rain protector. Do you know that umbrella wasn't invented to protect people from rain? It was first used to block the sun over 4,000 years ago. Let's uncover the fashion history of an umbrella. The earliest umbrella appeared around 2000 BCE in Egypt, Mesopotamia, and China. These early umbrellas were parasols and meaning to stop the sun. They were made from palm leaves, feather, silk, or paper, and were carried by kings, queens, and nobles. Ordinary people were generally not allowed to use them because their symbol was a symbol of wealth and power. Chinese innovation. Around 100 BC, Chinese craftsmen developed one of the first waterproof umbrellas. They coated on paper umbrellas with wax and oil. These making them resistant to rain. These were major steps towards a modern umbrella. Umbrella was spread to ancient Greece and later ancient Rome. In Greece, women commonly used parasols for protection from hot sun. In Rome, wealthy citizens were also carried umbrella during the warm weather. Umbrellas became very popular in Europe during the 16th and 17th century. At first, they were mainly used for women and as fashionable accessories to shield them from sunlight, and many men believed umbrellas were only for women. In 18th century, the English traveler named Johannes Hanway began carrying an umbrella in public even on rainy days. People laughed at him because men really used umbrellas. However, he continued using one, and gradually umbrellas became popular to everyone. In 1952, Samuel Fox invented steel rib umbrella, making umbrellas stronger, lighter, and more durable. This design became a foundation for most modern umbrellas. Later inventions include folding umbrellas, automatic and closed umbrellas, wind-resistant umbrellas, UV protection umbrellas. Fun fact: the word umbrella comes from Latin word umbra, means shade. Umbrella were originally invented from protection for the sun, not the rain. Millions of umbrella were manufactured every year around the world. GP trans- transparent umbrellas are especially popular in Japan because they improve visibility while walking. From protection Asian kings from blazing suns to keeping millions of people dry during suns, umbrella was transformed over thousands of years. Today is one of the world's most useful everyday invention. Which everyday object should be uncovered the next history of next? Comment below. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe. Stay curious. Thank you.